Good afternoon to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So today, before we start our Trade Ideas Proper, I'd like to share that for our subscriber for Trade Ideas Pro, meaning to say that you received the video, you are also in the currency chat room. Alright. Do note that I have some analysts having the nickname of moderator in front, MOD dash, whatever nickname they are. Of course, they have the rights. They are moderating the channel to make sure that there's no advertisement and stuff like that, because we don't want to disturb or irritate our subscriber. That's one. Second, if they are posting some analysis, you can take in consideration. All right, because last month alone, with one of my moderator and one of my moderator to be, three of us, we produce a total of net profit 3,900 pips, and you certainly don't wish to miss those opportunity posted by moderators. Alright, and of course, if you're a trader yourself, feel free to post your analysis to share with people what you are looking at. Is pretty fine. So let us get to business. This is Frank Yan itself. It's posted by one of my moderator. She spotted it. Alright, Zhishan has spotted it. So the formation we are looking at is actually a head and shoulder formation. Look at how my mouse actually traces it. So let me just draw for you. So this is the initial movement. Okay. Okay. So followed by the testing of the first shoulder, went all the way up, forming the head, and we trace back and forming a second shoulder. Alright, so this is still a potential head and shoulder because it has to come all the way down, hitting this level before the head and shoulder is being formed. And of course, this is my projected targets over here. She shared her analysis. I did my additional analysis to look for points. Usually, I will be updating as well in the chat group of currency, so please do take note. But of course, at the same time, whatever trade we share is based on our perspective, our analysis. You have to do your own analysis. So this trade itself has brought me quite good profits. It is a 25 pips of movement right now. I am still awaiting it to retest, or rather to retest the previous support over here to complete the head and shoulder formation, and till then I'll shift my stop loss to entry price. Okay, and of course the other trade I posted earlier on today, like a couple of hours back, euro dollar, I say I'm going to long. I have my take profit level set, and in the chat group itself, and this is my initial stop loss. It's just 25 pips, and my profit level is at 1.2042. Okay, this is the price range I'm looking for. My final take profit potentially, or euro can even go higher than that. So this is my target too. Initial risk 25 pips, and the target to take profit is 162 pips. I feel it's quite a good reward. Is the risk ratio profile. So this is definitely something that you won't want to miss out. Okay, all those chat over there. Okay, yep. So for today, the trade ideas I'm going to share is Euro Australia. Okay, this is a Euro Aussie chart. If we look at this structure over here, we can see that it has a bit of sideways movement over here. Okay, if we head down to 4 hours, might be clearer for you. Okay, so I realized that market is in a consolidation phase. Alright, meaning to say that not much movement over here. Euro and Australian dollar, they are fighting their strength through bullish and bearish movement. So with that, I see a trading opportunity for me. Okay, so the area that we mark up is potentially the sideways movement if I want to tighten it a bit, because this is a daily chart. Okay, this itself might be the area that traders would love to look at. Okay, between 1.5061 to 1.4612. All right. So if you go down the forward chart, you can see that it's quite sideways as well. We hit down to 1 hour, likewise. All right. So what is going to happen is that at 1.4955, I'm looking whether there's any sign that the market is showing an exhaustion. Okay. So what are the typical signs that you see market do? Have a exhaustion movement. You see market came down. This is the support level, break below, went back up. In fact, it is not a very strong resistance point, but it holds at this region over here. So I will consider at this price a retest before I look for engagement. So market, I'm waiting for it to go up. Let me see what color should I choose. Alright, so let's say I wait for market to go up, and let's say it came back down a bit to test the previous resistance, became support, went back up again at the same level, 1.4955. Of course, if the candle went higher than that, so long it doesn't close higher than that, it is pretty fine. Alright, so I am looking for a shorting opportunity, meaning you say that I'm looking to sell the price all the way down. Okay, so where do my stop loss goes to? My stop loss goes to 1.5 flat. Okay, this is my stop loss. Target 1.4900. Alright, this is my take profit level. And final take profit level will be at 1.4866. Wow, look at that, man. It is nicely drawn on the dot. Alright, so this is the trade ideas I have for today, and please allow me to clean this up a bit for you, and perhaps it is much clearer to remove the rectangle of the grid, and this is where my initial risk. Okay, is my initial risk, and this is my profit level I am looking at. Alright, target 1, and of course final take profit level over here. So why do I take the trouble to draw the rectangle? It's for you to compare the reward is to risk ratio profile. We always engage the trade with at least a minimum 2:1 ratio. Just nice, it met our criteria. It met our criteria with the support resistance we see. So if you do see that this is a good opportunity, do your own analysis and look at your risk management and how you can benefit from this trade. Just a short announcement: if you get to see this video and you love it, just share it in your social media community. Subscribe to us. By end of this month, it is still $10 for the first month, and subsequently will be $100. It is still a promotion because the video you are receiving right now per month, the usual price is 150 US, and for the chat room is another 150 US a month. So it is quite a good steal. With that, this evening itself, do note that we'll be on Facebook Live. Subscribe to and follow our Facebook, YouTube, and all the social media platforms. So once we go live, you'll be notified. I'll be doing a news trading session tonight, all right, on the UK interest rate. So till then, I'll see you on the next video. Good luck and plan your trade, trade your plan.